Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in Dhofar online banking Oman. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log in to Dhofar online banking, first what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type in bankdhofar.com or Dhofar. And then once the search result loads, what you need to do is simply tap on the first link that is shown to you, which is bankdhofar.com. Then once you're inside the home screen or the home page of the Bank Dhofar, what you need to do now is tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner of the screen. And now on tapping it, here you'll find an option that says online banking. Simply tap on that. And on tapping it, you'll be prompted to the login page. And here, what you need to do is select between your personal internet banking, or your business internet banking, or your corporate internet banking. And then once you select the one you need, here you'll be prompted to enter in your user ID. Then once entered, tap on login and you'll be prompted to enter your password. And then once you have typed in your online banking password, make sure your caps lock is off and no extra spaces as well. And Bank Dhofar will send you a one-time password on your registered mobile number. Simply enter the OTP correctly to verify. Then once verified, your Bank Dhofar online banking dashboard will open and you can now check balance, transfer money, pay bills, manage card and view statements. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.